So you can see now how big the room is and how comfortable. Sorry kalau tempat tidurnya udah agak messy ya. This is our last day, the third day here in Jogja. Jadi, you know, and the flat screen TV for your entertainment is here. It's a smart TV. You can obviously get your favorite streaming program. Terus juga ada coffee machine for you to work on. Potnya ada 4, nyenengin banget karena ada macam-macam. Ada decaf juga with sugar cane, which is good. And let's see, you got your water boiler in here for you to use whatever you like that for. Nah, ada banyak banget produknya Sido Muncul, because you know that this hotel is part of the Sido Muncul's group. So you got your apa namanya? Ada produk-produknya gitu, banyak banget, and it's for you to grab. Royal Oolong tea and Earl Grey tea. This is specially packaged for Tantrum by Tongji 1938. So you get your sugar, your creamer, ada teh juga, dan ada apa namanya, low calorie sugar. Kayaknya these are just empty drawers, and you got your extra water in here.